Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Android Keystore for biometric auth step by step clearly. To update the Android Keystore for biometric authentication, begin by opening your Android Studio. Navigate to your project folder where the existing Keystore file is located. Make sure to create a backup of your current Keystore file for safety. Open the terminal or command prompt on your computer. Use the keytool command to list the current aliases in your Keystore. The command syntax is keytool list v keystore path / to / your / keystore.jks. Replace path / to / your / keystore.jks with the actual path to your Keystore file. Enter the Keystore password when prompted. Identify the alias associated with your biometric keys. To update the Keystore, you need to create a new key pair for biometric authentication. Use the keytool command to generate the new key pair. The syntax for generating a new key is keytool genKeyPair v keystore path / to / your / keystore.jks alias your alias key algar sa keys IS 2048 validity 10,000. Replace your alias with the appropriate alias and adjust the validity as needed. Follow the prompts to complete the key generation process. Ensure to select yes when asked about the validity of the key. Next, update your app's configuration files to reference the new biometric key alias. Open your build.gradle file and locate the required section for biometric authentication. Update the reference to the newly created key alias. Rebuild your project to ensure all changes have been applied. Test the biometric authentication feature on a physical device running your app. Make sure there are no errors during the deployment and testing phase. If everything works correctly, your Keystore is now updated for biometric authentication. Document any changes made to the Keystore and the app configuration for future reference. Finally, ensure you keep the updated Keystore secure and backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.